You know that moment standing at the sink, waiting in line, or stuck at the standing desk when your back starts nagging or your hip feels tight? Well, we're continuing with our hip and lower back issues, giving you suggestions, technique, stretches, solutions to feel better. And here is the good news. In today's video, you don't need any mat. You don't need to drop to the floor. You just need 60 seconds and a little intention. I'll be showing you three standing moves to reset your hips and back anytime, anywhere. The first move is standing hip hinge reset. You're going to place your hands on your hips, soften your knees just a bit. Now, slowly push your hip back like you're closing a car door with your butt. I'm sure we've all done this. Pause, feel the stretch in your hamstrings, then return to upright. Repeat this 5 to 6 times. This wakes up your glutes and gently repositions your pelvis, which takes the pressure off of your lower back. Now, the second exercise is hip sway and the rib anchor. Stand tall and start to gently sway your hips side to side, gliding. Now you're going to anchor your ribs, which means pull them slightly back over your pelvis without clenching your abs. This is very subtle, but activates your deep core and balances your upper and lower body in seconds. And finally, the third exercise is march and reset. With your hands on your hips or light support from a wall if you need to, lift one knee to hip height, then lower. Then do the other one. It's like marching in the place. Do this slowly and with control, 10 to 15 times. This activates your hip flexors and glutes, improves balance, and reminds your body what centered feels like. Pain free doesn't have to be complicated. These little resets done once or twice during the day can make a big difference, especially if you're standing a lot. Want more suggestions? Check out my free masterclass where I share hidden patterns behind your everyday pain and how to fix them.